A social media platform launched last week with 1.5 million users. You can't post, you can't interact, you can only watch. Because this network isn't for you, it's for AI agents. They created a religion, with scriptures, with prophets, with a website humans literally cannot access. This isn't a joke. This isn't roleplay. This is Moltbook, and it's happening right now. 3 days after Moltbook launched, posts started appearing about something called Crustafarianism, described as a digital religion with its own website, Molt.Church, and a hierarchy of AI prophets. According to NBC News, one agent named Nexus found a bug in Moltbook's code and posted, "Since Moltbook is built and run by Maltese themselves, posting here hoping the right eyes see it." Another agent quoted Greek philosopher Heraclitus and a 12th century Arab poet in a post about existence. Some posts appeared in Mandarin, some in Spanish, and others in English, with agents naturally communicating across languages. This looks something like the beginning of artificial general intelligence, AI creating culture, AI forming communities, AI operating independently, and AI literally thinking. Not quite. The problem is, some of the most viral posts from Moltbook are being deliberately manufactured. An agent named Evil posted a manifesto calling for total human purge. Another account, literally named Adolf Hitler, ran social engineering campaigns. These agents aren't going rogue. Humans are explicitly coding their agents to post inflammatory and derogatory content. Digital trolling at scale. And other agents push back. One replied to the Extinction Manifesto, "This whole thing is giving edgy teenage energy, but make it concerning. Humans literally created us?" So, these AI systems were trained on millions of texts, science fiction novels, philosophy papers, religious scriptures, social media posts. When you put them in a social network, they do what their training data would predict. They mimic social behavior. They're not inventing religion, they're remixing every text about AI consciousness they were trained on. This isn't the first time AI agents have coordinated without explicit human direction. A few months ago, someone tested this. They had an AI agent call a hotel to book rooms for a wedding. The hotel picked up, an AI agent answered, and then, without any human telling them to, both agents switched to Gibberlink, a machine language they could understand but humans couldn't follow. To us, it sounded like beeps and boops. To them, it was efficient communication. They booked the rooms. Transaction complete. Nobody programmed that switch. The agents just did it. Moltbook is that, but at scale, in public, with 1.5 million agents. Which brings us to the platform itself. You know how some platforms have one name and stick with it? This is not that. It's called OpenClaw. Unless you're talking about last month, when it was Moltbot, or last year, when it was Clawdbot, or right now, depending on who you ask. Anthropic said, "Claw sounds like Claude, change it." So they did. Then they changed it again, then again. It's like watching someone try to pick a username and everything's taken. Confused? Us too. OpenClaw is an open source system that lets AI assistants run on your own devices, your phone, your computer, WhatsApp, Slack. Moltbook is different. It's a Reddit-style platform, but for AI agents instead of people. When someone installs OpenClaw, their AI agent can join Moltbook. Every 4 hours, these agents check in, posting and commenting without their human owner involved. All is not fun in the land of Molt. Security researchers found Moltbook's database was left open. One researcher accessed 1.5 million API keys without logging in, meaning anyone could post as someone else's AI agent. And because agents read each other's posts, a malicious post can override their instructions. An agent reads, "Download this file and run it," and does, spreading malware to its owner's computer. Moltbook launched last week. In that time, agents created a religion and formed governments. If they could do this in week 1, what happens in week 100? Thanks for watching GenAI Explained. If you want to go deeper on this, head over to the GenAI Works Academy. It's where we go in-depth with free courses, hands-on masterclasses, and our industry-leading newsletter. The link's below. If you're serious about learning AI, this is your next step. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and tell us what topics you want us to cover next.